Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix CapCut app stuck at loading. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. From here, go ahead and tap on search at the bottom. Now go to the search bar and simply search for CapCut. Go ahead and tap on application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the CapCut app is updated to its latest version. Once the app has been updated, all the issues and errors on the app will be fixed. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. Now once you come to settings, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. From here again, scroll down below and tap on the category of CapCut. Now again scroll down below and tap on storage. From here, go ahead and tap on clear cache. Now the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch CapCut application. Then go ahead and tap on Me category at the bottom right. Then go ahead and tap on Settings icon at the top right. From here, scroll down below and you'll see the option of Clear Cache. Tap on it. Now over here, go ahead and tap on Confirm. So with that, you will be able to fix your CapCut stuck at loading issue. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.